Hi, I'm Chris Carrillo. I'm a sophomore here at BC.
Hi, I'm Brian Regalato. I'm a senior at BC, and we're both members of BC MedLife.
Today we're going to be talking about global public health issues, specifically COVID-19 in South America. Specifically, our class will outline general global public health issues with an emphasis on South America. So we plan on educating the class on some of the causes of healthcare disparity and how it affects certain communities. We plan on answering questions such as who is more likely to get sick and why, how are the healthcare systems being affected, and are the healthcare systems in place helping?
The class will also look into how COVID-19 has presently affected communities in South America. We will also briefly discuss how MedLife as an organization is working to alleviate the healthcare disparities, especially during this time as a pandemic. And we will also finish off by telling students what they can do to help.